In this video, I will show you how you can fix if navbar is not showing on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Notifications. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Lock Screen and make sure you enable the toggle for Show Notifications on the lock screen. After you enable this toggle, then just go back and under Notifications, just tap on Hide Content while locked. Now, if it is on Hide, just select Show Always. Now, after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. On this page, just tap on Navbar, and from here, just scroll down and enable the toggle for the setting which you want to show in the navbar. If you want to see the Do Not Disturb settings in navbar, just enable this toggle. You also enable the toggle for all the other settings and options which you want to see in the navbar. Just like that. Now, if these settings are already enabled, but if they are not showing in the lock screen, for example, if the media player is enabled, but if it is not showing in navbar on the lock screen, then just turn it off, then wait for a couple of seconds and enable it back on. Now, after you do that, then just go to your lock screen and check if navbar is working or not. Now, in most cases, this will fix your issue, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, then tap on Software Update. From here, just tap on Check for Updates, and if you have any software update available, just tap on Update and update the software of your Samsung phone. After you update the software of your Samsung phone, then just go to your home screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now after you do that, you will fix any software glitch which was causing navbar not to work. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.